This video gonna show you how to program a spare key for CAS3 on BMW. You can click help to check connection information. First, we need to remove the CAS3 module from the vehicle. CAS3 module is under the steering wheel. Now, let's check all the stuff we need. We gonna need CAS3 module, 20-pin cable, Acdp host, OBP/ICP adapter, BAV key adapter, CAS3 copper pillar, CAS3 interface board, BDN adapter, walk key, and a new blank key. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the CAS3 interface board. Lock the board with the copper pillar. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect the OBP/ICP adapter and the BDN adapter. Connect the CAS3 interface board and the BDN adapter. Connect the Acdp hoster and the OBP/ICP adapter. Power up the Acdp. Open Mini Acdp app. Choose BMW. Choose CAS1 to 4. Choose CAS3, CAS3 Plus. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the mark's ID is. Then select option based on mark's ID. Click IMMO. Click Step 1. Read the CAS date. Click OK. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test points. Click OK. Check the VIN number and the mileage. Click Step 2. General dealer keys. Choose Add key. Connect Acdp and the BAV adapter according to the diagram and insert blank key. Click OK. Check the key information. Click OK. Select the correct CAS3 date. Check the VIN number. Click OK. Remove the blank key and put in the walk key. Check the walk key information like ISN, VIN, key ID. Click OK. Take out the walk key. Put the blank key again. Click OK. Choose any blank key channel for key learning. Select option based on the key type. Based on my key, I'm gonna choose remote key. Please save the CAS date. This date contains information of old key and a new key. Method 1. You can put the CAS3 module back to the vehicle and insert the new key into the key slot for learning. Start the car with new key. Or you can choose method 2. Write the CAS date back to the CAS3 module. Click Step 3. Write CAS date. Follow the varying diagram to connect the Acdp, BDN adapter, and the CAS ECU. Click OK. Pin detection passed. Click OK. Load the new CAS date. Put CAS3 module back to the vehicle. All operations are complete. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful to you.